Okay, so I'm going to show you a lot of different things for picture effects. A lot of what you are going to do is going to be on your picture styles group right here. Notice that we have two clip arts and we have two normal pictures. So if you click on one and you click down on this drop down arrow, it gives you a whole bunch of different styles. And as you hover over them, it's going to show you kind of what they're going to do with that picture. Another option is to click down on picture effects here, and it gives you a lot of different options. So if you want it to glow, it'll add a little glow around there. You could add soft edges so it kind of fades in and how much you want it to fade in. A bevel look. Really any of these. So we're going to go ahead and just add a frame around this one. Notice it has that. Now say I don't like the color of this, I could always go over here to change the color and make it purple. And we'll kind of make it purple. A lot of people ask to try and make things transparent. So to do that, say we want to make this blue bird have no legs. To do that, you're going to click down on color, you go to set transparent color, and then it gives you a little drop where you have to go pick what color. So we made the beak and the legs, because those were the same colors, transparent. Also, if you notice, when you do a picture effects and then you add a shadow, add a we want reflection, sorry. It adds a reflection of that too. So there's a lot of different effects, and I just suggest that you kind of just mess around with them and kind of see what kind of effects you're looking for on your picture.